In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the door lock actuator on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a small trim tool or a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to get up behind this trim piece and we're going to start to pop it out. There's 2 clips at the bottom and 2 at the top. There's going to be 2 Phillips head screws located behind that trim piece. There's one on the bottom. And one on the top. Behind the door handle, there's a little trim piece. Using a small tool, we're going to get behind that and pop it out. There's going to be 1 Phillips head screw behind there. Remove that. We're going to remove the connector off of this little light. Taking a small tool, we're going to start on the right side and pick it up. We do that because this is where the relief point is. And there's going to be a push button connector. Go ahead and push on that and remove it from the light. Remove the trim piece for the mirror. Grab the side and pull straight out. Grab the door where you removed the light and give it a pull straight out. And this will pop the clips off. Pull the door up and off. To pop out these top cables, pop it out of the plastic first, line it up and pull it out. Do the same thing on the bottom. There's a push button connector right here. The button is on the back. Push on that and remove it, and then you can remove the door panel. Grab the vapor barrier and pull it off of the door. We want to make ourselves enough room that we can easily work in here. Reaching inside of the door, we're going to find this plastic clip. We're going to remove this plastic clip. You can either use a flat blade screwdriver or a pick and pull it off, or if you can fit your hand in there, you can just go on the side and pull it back. You can pull it back and it'll hinge straight up. And we're going to pull the rod out of there. Remove the plug from the door. Using a T30, remove the screw. You cannot fully remove it. It will get held. Just unscrew it. Remove the lock mechanism. Using a T30 bit, we're going to remove the 3 bolts for the door lock actuator. Push on the push button and remove the connector for the door lock actuator. Pull the door cables out. Remove the actuator out of the door. Pop the cable out of the plastic stay, twist it down, and pull the cable out. And this bottom one, we're going to get up under this door. pop it open. Do the same thing with this cable, lift it up and out. Install the cable, push it down, close the lid. Do the same on the other cable. Install the door lock actuator into the car. Get it lined up and install the bolts. Snug down the bolts. Torque the door lock actuator bolts to 44 inch-pounds. Install the pole into the bottom yellow slot on the door lock actuator. Just like that. And then on the top, we're going to push the pole in. Make sure that the lock is open. Push the pole in and lock the clip down. This gray clip right here. Install the door lock into the vehicle. Snug the bolt down. Install the plug. Install the connector for the door lock actuator. Install the vapor barrier back into place. If you're having trouble sticking it back down, you can source some new butyl tape, this black stuff, or you can get any waterproof tape and tape around the outside. Install the connector. Make sure you hear a click. Install the ball into the socket and install the cable into the bracket. Do the same thing on the bottom. Make sure the connector for the little light on the bottom is running through the door. And we're going to drop the door on top of the window. Go around the door, making sure all of the clips are clipping into place. Install the screws for the door. One more behind the handle. Install the trim piece behind the handle. Install the connector for the light. Install the left side first and then hinge over. It'll clip into place. Install the trim piece for the back of the mirror and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.